Starting exercise 5.2 chapter 5, that is arithmetic progressions. So now starting first question, that is fill in the blanks of the following table given that A is the first term and D the common difference and AN the nth term of the AP. So 5 parts are there. I am solving first part. Question number 1. First part is here A is given 7, D is given 3 and N is given 8 and you have to find AN. Nth term you have to find. So I am using the formula here AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we put the values putting, so A that is 7 plus N minus 1, N is 8 minus 1 into D that is 3. Now 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So 7 plus according to board mass, firstly we have to multiply. So 7 3 are 21 plus 7 that is 28. Now remaining part सेम है, आपको 3 वैल्यूज कोई गिवन है उनकी वैल्यूज आपको पुट करके और फोर्थ वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है. क्लियर? सो सॉल्व रिमेनिंग पार्ट योरसेल्फ. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग सेकंड क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देयर आर 2 पार्ट्स. आई एम सॉल्विंग सेकंड पार्ट. सेम है, फर्स्ट भी वही nth टर्म ही बस है, फॉर्मूला वही है. 11th टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है ऑफ AP. -3 बस थोड़ा फ्रैक्शन में दिया हुआ है टर्म्स, -12 एंड 2 इट इज द AP एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड 11th टर्म. वी हैव टू फाइंड 11th टर्म. So first term is -3 means A equal to -3. D we have to find. D is A2 minus A1. So A2 is second term is -12 minus A1 that is -3. Now upon 1 we put. So here taking LCM 2. 2 1 2 1 1 into -1 that is -1. Minus and minus plus. 1 2 2 2 3 6. 6 minus 1 that is 5. So D equals to 5 upon 2 and A equals to -3 and N is given 11. So we have to use formula AN that is A plus N minus 1 into D. Now putting values. So AN means A11. A11 equals to A that is -3 plus N minus 1 means 11 minus 1 into D that is 5 upon 2. Now -3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 upon 2. 2 से cancel out हो जाएगा. 2 5 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25. So -3 plus 25. Now 25 minus 3 that will be 22. So its answer is 22. That is A11. Okay. Now come to question 3. So third question, we have to find the missing terms. 2 terms are given and remaining terms you have to find. Same formula is used here. Now firstly I am solving third part. All parts are same. So third part is here it is 5. First term is 5, second box blank, third box is blank and fourth term is given 9 complete half. 9 complete and 1 by 2. Now first term is A that is 5. First term A or A1 and even we can write A1 or A equals to 5. Second term we have to find, third term we have to find and fourth term is given A4 that is A plus 4 minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 D. A4 is given 9 complete 1 upon 2. A, the value of A is 5 plus 4 minus 1 that is 3 into D. Now 9 2 is 18 and 119 upon 2. 5 transfer to LHS, so it will be minus equals to 3D. Upon 1 we put, for taking LCM that is 2. 2 1 is 2, 1 into 19 that is 19 minus 1 2 is 2, 2, 2 into 5 that is 10. Equals to 3D. 19 minus 10 that is 9 upon 2. This 3 goes to in divide in LHS shift, so it is in divide equals to D. 3 3 are 9, so D equals to we get 3 upon 2. D की वैल्यू आ गई 3 by 2 और A की वैल्यू है 5. Now we can find A2. So A2 equals to A plus D. The value of A is 5 plus the value of D is 3 by 2. Now simplify by taking LCM that is 2, 2 5 is 10 plus 3, so it is 13 upon 2. Clear? We can convert in this form also. So 2 6 is 12, 1 by 2 that is 6 and half. This is A2. Second term is first blank. Now next term that is A3 equals to A plus 2D. A plus 3 minus 1D, so A plus 2D. Now putting the values, A is 5 plus 2 into D and the value of D is 3 by 2. This 2 is cancelled. 2 1 is 2. So what is left? 5 plus 3. So that will be 8. Now A3 will be 8 मीन्स फर्स्ट बॉक्स, इस बॉक्स में आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 6.5 और 13/2 एंड नेक्स्ट बॉक्स दैट विल बी 8. Clear? Now next part I am solving fifth, last part. In this part also same questions है. Two terms are given and remaining terms you have to find. So here first box blank है. First value we have to find. First term यानी कि a या a1 we have to find. Second term it is given 38. Third term we have to find. Fourth term also we have to find. Fifth term also we have to find. And sixth term is given -22. Now A2, it is A1, A2, A3 we have to find, A4 we have to find, A5 we have to find, A6 और A2 given है. So first A2 that is A plus D and this value is given 38. For this we assume equation 1. Last term, sixth term given है A6 that will be A plus 6 minus 1D that is 5D and its value is given -22 equation 2. Now we have to solve these equations. So subtracting equation 1 from 2, subtracting equation 1 from 2. सेकेंड में से फर्स्ट को माइनस कर देंगे, किसी में से किसी को माइनस कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज a plus 5d equals to -22. फर्स्ट इज a plus d equals to 38. Now changing the sign, minus, minus and minus. A cancelled. 5d minus d that is 4d sorry. 4d equals to -22 and -38 that will be, they are added, both the same sign, so -60. 4 goes to divide, so d equals to -60 upon 4, so it will be -15. Now we have to find a first term a1, so by putting this value in any equation, so we put this value in equation 1. So from equation 1 we are putting this value in equation 1. So a plus d is -15 equal to 38. So a plus minus -15 equals to 38. Now a will be 38 plus 15. That means a will be 53. Now we have to find the values. First value is a1, that is a, so it is 53. The value of a is 53. Now we have to find next a3. A3 is a plus 2d. The value of a is 53 plus 2 into d. Value of d is -15, so it will be 53 minus 15 to the 30, so it will be 23. Next value we have to find a4, that is a plus 3d. A is 53 plus 3 into d, that is -15. 15 3 is 45, subtracted from 53, that is 8 we left. Now a5, a plus 4d equals to 53 plus 4 into d, that is -15. 15 4 is 60, minus का plus 53, so it will be -7. This is your answer. Now move to next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 and 5 both are same. In fourth and fifth questions, which term of AP 78 same है और next question में भी same है. So in these two questions we are doing question number 5 and second part, which is little bit difficult. Fraction is there. So series is 18, 15 and half. Next term is 13. Last term is -47. Question I am reading. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs, means we have to find n. n find करना है. First term a, n we have to find. A is given 18. D how we can find? By subtracting first term from second. So a2 minus a1, that is 15 and half minus 18. Now 15 and a half, that means 15 2 is 30 and 131 upon 2 minus 18 upon 1 we are putting. Now taking LCM 2 1 is 2, 1 we get, 1 into 31 that is 31 minus 1 2 is 2, 2 we get, 2 into 18 that is 36. 31 minus 36, so it is -5 upon 2, that is D. Now nth term is given -47, so we are using the formula an, that is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the values, an is -47 equals to a, that is 18 plus n minus 1, and we have to find into d, that is minus 5 upon 2. Clear? Now 18 transferred here, so we get 18 minus 47 minus 18 equals to n minus 1, minus 5 by 2 we are putting in first, so minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. 47 and 18 both are same sign, so they are added, that will be 47, 8, 55, 10, 65, that will be, we get here minus 65 equals to minus 5 by 2 bracket n minus 1. 5 by 2 here, 2 goes to in multiply and 5 goes to in divide, so minus 65 into 2 upon minus 5, minus minus cancelled equals to n minus 1. 5 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, 13 5 जो 65, 13 2 जो 26 equal to n minus 1. This one goes to add in, so 26 plus 1 equal to n, that means we get n equals to 27th term. ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट था, इसमें कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी, रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स आर इजी. Now we move to next question, that is question 6. So in sixth question we have to check, last term is given and we have to check this one is the term of this AP or not. Clear? So that number of terms is always natural number or complete number. We are saying जैसे फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, 10th टर्म, इसी टाइप का कोई नंबर होगा, कभी भी डेसिमल में कोई नंबर नहीं होगा. तो वही हमें चेक करना है. 6th क्वेश्चन है, check whether minus 150, check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11852. So AP is given 11852 और लास्ट टाइम आपको गिवन है एक माइनस 150, वो इसकी टर्म है या नहीं ये आपको चेक करना है. माइनस 150 ये आपको गिवन है, तो ये चेक करना है कि इस AP की टर्म है या नहीं. ठीक है. सो फॉर दिस A इक्वल्स टू 11, D इक्वल्स टू सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, सो 8 minus 11 that will be minus 3. एंड nth टर्म वी आर एज्यूमिंग दिस दैट इज माइनस 150. ये लास्ट टर्म कोई भी मान लो. ठीक है. सो an इक्वल्स टू a plus n minus 1 into d. Now putting the values, so an is minus 150 equals to a that is 11 plus n minus 1 and we have to find into d that is minus 3. Now opening the bracket, 11 minus 3 into n, so it is minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 plus, so it is plus 3. It is minus 150. So my 3n we transferred here, 3n equals to 11 and 3, 14, 150 transferred here, so it will be added. Now 150 and 14, that is 164. It is equal to 3n, 3 goes to in divide, it is equal to n. So on dividing by 3, 3 5 ja 15, 1 left, 14, 3 4 ja 12, 2 is left, 3 6 ja 18, 20, 2 is left, 6 6 ये आता रहेगा. ठीक है. So 54.66 means it is not a complete number or natural number, so it is not the term, means minus 150. So therefore minus 150 is not the term of the given AP, or this AP also we can write given AP, given series. Clear? अगर ये complete number होता तो yes it is the term of this AP. Clear? Same question. Now after this, from question 7, 8, 9 and 10, all the questions are same. In these type of questions, 2 terms are given and we have to find next term, means कोई भी और नंबर की टर्म हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. जैसे 7th क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द 31st टर्म of an AP, means we have to find 31st term. Question number 6 means A31 we have to find of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term means A11 is 38 and 16th term is 73, means A16 equal to 73. ये दो टर्म्स आपको गिवन है और ये आपको टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो जब हम इसमें फॉर्मूला a प्लस n माइनस 1d यूज़ करेंगे तो a और d में हमें एक इक्वेशन यहाँ से मिलेगी, एक यहाँ से 2 इक्वेशन मिल जाएंगी. 2 वेरिएबल हैं, आप उनको सॉल्व करके a और d की वैल्यूज़ फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं बाय एनी मेथड, लाइक एलिमिनेशन मेथड और सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. So we are starting here, A11, that means it is a plus 11 minus 1d or a plus 10d, that is equals to 38. It is equation 1 we assume. Same here, A16, that is a plus 16 minus 1d, that is 15d, equals to 73. This is equation 2 we are assuming. Now we can solve these equations on subtracting. So on subtracting equation 1 from 2, or 2 from 1 also we can, 1 from equation 2. So second equation first. So it is a plus 15d equals to 73. Next is a plus 10d equals to 38. Now on subtracting, signs changed, minus, it is also minus, cancelled. 15 minus 10 is 5. So 5d, 73 minus 38, that is 35. So d equal to 5 7 ja 35. Now this value we can put in any equation. So from first equation में value put कर रहे हैं. So a plus 10d means 10 into d, that is 7, equals to 38. Now a plus 10 7 ja 70 goes to RHS, that is subtracted. So 38 minus 70. Now a will be minus 32. First term is minus 32. d is 7. दो वैल्यूज हमें मिल गई. क्या अब हम a31 फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? यस. हाउ? a31, that is a plus n minus 1d. So 31 minus 1 into d. Directly also we can put a plus 30d. So a, that is minus 32. Yes, we found. Plus 30 into d, that is 7. Simplify. Minus 32 plus 210. On subtracting we get 178. That is a31, means 31st term we found here. Clear? Same questions हैं 7th, 8th. It is not 6th. It is 7th question. Okay? It is 7th question. Now question 8, 9, 10. समझ लीजिए, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ इसको. 8th question में NAP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 506. Means third term is given 12. तो A3 is 12 and last term means A50. क्योंकि 50 terms total दी हुई है, तो A50 is 106. We can find A and D. And now find the 29th term. Same है बिल्कुल, 31 की जगह 29. Next question also 9 and 10 you can. Now I am solving question number 11. Question number 11 is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, 3, 15, 27 and 39 ये AP है. And what is given here? Which term of AP means nth term, कौन सी टर्म होगी, will be 132 more than 54th term. कौन सी टर्म? तो हम an ले सकते हैं. किस टर्म से? 54th टर्म से. कितना ज़्यादा है? 132. तो प्लस 132. अगर हम ऐसे a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें 3, d फाइंड आउट करें तो सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स 15 माइनस 3, दैट विल बी 12. नाउ पुटिंग द फॉर्मूला an मीन्स a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी equals to a54. तो a plus same formula, n minus 1 means 54 minus 1 into d equals to 130. Sorry, not equal, it is plus 132. Now a and a are cancelled. You can also put 3, then also it is cancelled. Now n minus 1, and we have to find, into d. d is 12 equals to 54 minus 1, that is 53 into d is 12 and plus 132. We have to calculate it, n. So equals to, can we take common 12? Yes, तो 12 common. Here what is left? 53 plus 12 से इसको divide कर दीजिए. 12 1 12, 1 is left. 12 12 1 12. Now this 12 is here in multiply. If we shift to RHS, then it will go in divide. So n minus 1 equals to 12 से 12 cancel हो जाएगा. Clear? Now what is left? 53 plus 11, that is 64. So n equals to 64 plus 1, that will be 65. Now we get n equals to 65. Means 65th term होगी जो 132 ज़्यादा है 54th term से. Now next question, that is question number 12. 12th question is, two APs have the same common difference. दो AP हैं जिनका common difference same है. तो हम उनके फर्स्ट टर्म को डिफरेंट मान ले रहे हैं. तो लेट फर्स्ट टर्म्स ऑफ टू APs are कैपिटल A एंड स्मॉल a, एंड और इनका कॉमन डिफरेंस भी एज्यूम कर ले रहे हैं. एंड कॉमन डिफरेंसेस ऑफ बोथ APs आर कैपिटल D एंड स्मॉल d. यानी कि जो पहली AP है उसमें हमने कैपिटल A फर्स्ट टर्म मानी और उसका डिफरेंस कैपिटल D, और दूसरी AP स्मॉल a और स्मॉल d. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? फर्स्ट लाइन इज टू APs हैव द सेम कॉमन डिफरेंस. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होगा, दैट मीन्स कैपिटल D इक्वल्स टू स्मॉल d. इट इज गिवन. नाउ वी एज्यूम इट इक्वेशन 1. आफ्टर दिस इट इज गिवन हियर दैट The difference between their 100th term is 100. 100 terms का difference, first AP का 100 term means A 100 minus second AP का 100 term means small a 100, and it is given 100, and it is given also. Now capital A 100 means 100 term, तो A plus n minus 1D, that means 100 minus 1 into D, that is capital D, minus small a 100, so small a plus n minus 1D, so 100 minus 1 into small d equals to 100. Now because we have capital D equals to small d, so we put here small d. Now A plus 100 minus 1, that is 99, small d, minus, open the bracket, so minus A minus 100 minus 1, that is 99, and small d. This 99d cancelled, so we get capital A minus small a equals to 100. This is equation 2 we assume. Now we have to find difference between 1000 term. So now capital A 1000 minus small a 1000 we have to find. So capital A 1000 क्या होगा, capital A plus 1000 minus 1, because n minus 1 formula वही रहेगा, and 1000 minus 1 into capital D minus small a plus 1000 minus 1 into small d. Now capital A plus 1000 minus 1, 999, 999. Capital D or small d both are same from equation 1, so we put here small d, minus, open the bracket, so minus 999d, 999d. These are cancelled. Again we get A minus A, and this value we got here in equation 2, that is 100, so equals to 100 from equation 2. From equation 2. Now this question 12 is completed. After this we did next questions in the next video.